Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and we're going to get into a very fun Lush subscription box, the kitchen box. I have my box right here ready to go. I am so excited to jump into this. I loved the October box. That was a fun box, and we did get a perfume in that box, and it did say that there will be 4 more to collect, and I don't know if it'll be in the next 4 boxes or if it's going to be in 4 random boxes. Who knows what we're going to get in this box. I can't exactly remember because it was a month ago when I voted for what I wanted in the box, but I will pop up the menu at the end because I don't want to spoil anything for anyone just yet. We're going to get all the surprises all at once together, but I will pop up at the end when I'm going through all the ingredients and like the names of products and everything, what was on the menu and what I picked and what I didn't pick as well, so then we know exactly what is the surprises of the box. So I have my box here ready to go, but before we get straight into it, I have not filmed this makeup look. This is just makeup for work, so please excuse if it looks a bit not to my usual perfection that to my usual perfection that I go for, but I just came in from work. I actually got this box like 2 days ago and I've been dying to film with it, but today's the first day I wore makeup because I was on holidays, so yeah, and I haven't filmed it, but I can film something like this in the future if you want me to, and you can let me know that down below. But also hit subscribe down below. Whoa, fly again. Hit subscribe down below to see many more videos coming up. We've got more Lush videos coming up. We've got Lush Christmas coming up as well, which I've already bought my stuff and have a big thing that I bought as well. And I spent money. Holy moly did I spend money. My Lush shop loves me. So I'm not going to ramble anymore. We're going to jump straight into it. I'm going to open the box right now. I've just broken the seal, that's all I've done. Get rid of all of the personal details. And the first thing I can see is a bag right here on top. But it's not just a bag, it's got my name on it. Like, it's got my actual, like my name, my real name, Carla. My name. They know my name. Obviously they know my name, it's written on my order, but it's got my name on it. Let me see. Oh, it's pretty. Look at this. And then it's the same pattern as the box that came with the perfume. Look! Isn't that pretty? That's such a nice size bag. See, I like this kind of size bag for a wash bag or a makeup bag because I can fit like foundation and an eyeshadow palette into it if I'm going away. I don't like small makeup bags because I can't fit my makeup in it. But like if I could have done with this for going on holidays, I'm not going to lie. But that pattern is beautiful. I'm loving that pattern. But it's got my name on it, it's personalised to me. Okay, so I don't know if that counts as one of the items or if that's just an extra, I'm not sure. We're going to move the leaflet out of the way because again, I don't want to be spoiled. And we're just going to dive. I'm going to do a little dive off camera so I can actually find something because it's going to make noise. Okay, I have a thing, I have a bath bomb, I have a thing, and I'm pretty sure I voted for this one. I'm pretty sure I did. Oh, look at this. This has got what I am assuming is cinnamon? Or vanilla. It's beautiful smell. Kind of sweet. Little bit of floral in there. But there's like a sweet note to it. Like almost a jasmine, nearly a tobacco flower kind of smell. Yeah, nearly a tobacco flower. If you don't know what tobacco flower smells is, it's actually one of my favourite smells. It's a similar kind of smell to the charity pot from Lush, which I love the smell of the charity pot from Lush. I know that Yankee Candle do a tobacco flower and I have had it before and I love the smell of that candle. Yeah, it's an interesting smell. I really like it though. That's going to make a really nice like fragrant bath, I think. It's really strong. I'm excited. Let's see what else we have. Oh, we've got a little bath bomb and I voted for this one too. I always vote for the bath bombs. I love a bath bomb. And this I know is Bombadino. Is that how you say it? Bombadino? 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 I can't remember. It'll be written down somewhere for me. Look how cute he is. He's so cute. And this is like a retro product for Lush. I have always wanted to use this product. I've seen it on so many blogs. I've seen it on so many reviews from years ago. Cocktails, everything like that. It is a Christmas product as far as I'm aware. So obviously this month and next month one will be Christmassy, wintry sort of themed. But this is beautiful and I can smell it already. This smells a little bit caramelly. I'm getting kind of notes of, like I'm getting a few different things. I'm getting notes of Let the Good Times Roll cleanser, which is a weird smell as well, but it's really good. It kind of smells a little bit like popcorn, like buttered popcorn, but it's beautiful. It's really rich and sweet as well. I'm getting a tiny bit of yognog, just like that caramelly toffee kind of smell. Kind of like the popcorn lip scrub. That's the kind of smell I'm getting off it. I really like it though. I'm so happy this won because I've always wanted to try this. Oh, I see a thing, and I think I know what this thing might be. This is a perfume. Let's see what we got this time. It's in a little box, but I do have my display box for it that has that same pattern that was on the bag. And the last one we got was Tramp, wasn't it? It was Tramp, which was a really spicy, woodsy, cinnamon, earthy kind of smell. Oh my god, we got Yuzu and Coco. Oh my god, Yuzu and Coco. I remember the first time I tried Yuzu and Coco. Oh my god. I went into Lush. It was the first time I ever bought anything in Lush. Ever. Like, this is a good few years ago. Never bought anything in Lush before. Went in. I was like, look, I've just curious. I want to go in. And I want to buy a little bit of soap and something. And I remember talking to my mum on the phone. And I was just like, oh, I'm in Lush and I'm going to get something. I've never tried out from Lush and I want to get some soap. And one of the ones, I remember everything I bought. It was Dirty soap. It was Magnificent, which was a mango soap, and it was Sultana soap, which is still my favourite soap ever that Lush have ever done, and still do. But I was on the phone with my mum, and I was like, do you want anything? Is there anything you want? I didn't know a thing about Lush. And she's like, I don't know, anything that smells like coconut. So I was like, okay. I went up to the guy that was there, and I was like, do you have anything in here that smells like coconut? And he showed me the Yuzu and Coco Bubble Rune, and I bought it. And it's like a coconutty smell. They did bring out a shower gel, but then they got rid of it all, and I'm so sad about it. But it was a really nice coconutty kind of smell. Oh, I'm so excited about this one. So this is a little bit more... You can definitely smell the coconut, but it's a little bit more citrusy. So a lot of people say that the other one smells a little bit like orange and that kind of thing. I don't get orange out of it. When I smelled those other products, I never did. I always just got a coconutty sort of smell out of it. But I'm getting coconut with orange in this now. This is a lot more citrusy, probably because of the oils. Yeah, I really like that smell. I'd probably wear this one more than the Tramp. This is more my kind of style of a perfume. I like very fresh, fruity smells. I do like a musky smell. I'm not huge on an earthy tone on me. Like some of my favourite smells would be a lot of Terry Mugler kind of smells, Alien, Angel, and the new one, Goddess, I think it is, the gold one. That's next on my list of perfumes. And the other one that I've been obsessed with and I keep wearing when I'm in work is the Replica by the Fireplace. That smell is so sweet and a little bit smoky and I love it. But this would be a really nice... Oh my god, it's bringing me back to the bubble room. Oh god, I want that bubble room back so bad. I think this is one of the best ones I've gotten. I know I've only gotten one other perfume, but one of the best products I've gotten. I'm losing packing peanuts everywhere, guys. They're all over the place. I think I voted for this too. Are the 3 products in here all the things I voted for? Ooh! Yes! This is the Hot Toddy. Is it called Hot Toddy or is it just called Toddy? I'm not sure. But it smells like Hot Toddy Shower Gel, which was years and years and years ago that they got rid of. And if you want a spicy, wintry smell that's not herby, it's not a dirty kind of smell, as in like a woodsy sort of smell. It's like you've taken cinnamon, put it into a pot, boiled it so your room smells nice. That's what this is. This is the warmest smell I think they have ever done. It's got the cinnamon on top with the cinnamon sugar. It's real squishy. Like squishy. It's a good size too. I like this kind of size. This just brings me back. I remember I never owned, or did I? No, I did. I owned a small bottle of Hot Toddy Shower Gel, but I never actually bought a full size one. And I bought the small one because I got a little sample of it. I was in there. Didn't even know that Lush did samples. And I was there and I was like, oh, I really like to smell that. And I was buying like 1 or 2 other things. And she's like, oh, I'll give you a sample. And I was like, okay, cool. Now I get samples all the time because I keep buying from the same store and I've become friends with the people in there. So yeah, I'm that kind of person. Oh my god, this just brings me back. This is a real nostalgic box and I'm loving it right now. I am loving it. Oh, I've had this before. I swear this is the most nostalgic box ever. This is the Peppermint Bark scrub, like a body scrub. and it literally smells, if you're from Ireland or you're from the UK, I don't know if you call it the same thing. In Ireland we call it a stick of rock. You get it when you go to the beach, and it's basically like a candy cane-esque sort of thing. It's like a stick of rock, like candy, and it's minty, and it literally smells like a stick of rock, and I'm pretty sure that's what it's kind of supposed to look like. That's what I imagine it is, but I don't know if everyone calls it that, but we call it a stick of rock. When you go to the beach, you get a stick of rock because it's in a stick. My mum loves stick of rocks as well. She's gonna love the smell of this. And she loves minty smells anyway. This is so pepperminty. This is so nice. I'm so excited about this. So then I think I voted for that too. So what did I not vote for? I don't know. Okay, so I've had another little route around the box just to make sure, but these are the products that are in the box. I was thinking there may be an extra one because we got the perfume as an extra the last time. We still got our 5 products, and 4 of which of these products are community picks, which is us as the community, and the kitchen exclusive is the perfume, which again I would have thought they would have thrown in a product that the actual kitchen or like higher up executives picked, like their favorites and stuff like that. But I'm so happy with this box either way. I don't know if anyone else is going to be disappointed in that, but I'm not, because the products that I have here, I'm just so happy that these are the ones that won. Oh my god. I have everything up here on my phone, and I have my leaflet beside me to go through them. So let's start with Bombardino. So Bombardino, a creamy lemon scented bath awaits in this bath bomb. Vegan chocolate and softening cocoa butter make it a treat for all. So let me see. Cocoa butter, yes. Vanilla absolute, definitely. Lemon oil, bergamot oil, gardenia extract, dark chocolate, because the eyes are chocolate as far as I'm aware. And he's just so cute and small. I'm just so happy to have this one. But like, I don't get the lemon smell. I get the cocoa and the chocolate sort of smell. But I get like a popcorn smell. Like, I literally get the popcorn lip scrub smell off this. I don't know. I'm so excited about this though. Next up then is our big boy here. This is Hot Java. Warming with a twist, invigorating ginger oil swirl amidst the golden water to really spice things up. Relaxing ylang ylang and balancing juniper berry oils. Create a moorishly luxurious soak that will wish you could revel in forever. Yeah, okay, so now I get it. Okay, so the ginger is this little bit of warm spiciness. It's the ylang ylang that I'm smelling as the floral. And kind of sweeter kind of smell. It just has such an interesting smell. I wish Lush would come out with more smells in this sort of like vibe. Next up then is Hot Toddy Bubble Bar. This bubbly bath will wash away your chills and leave you feeling cozy and comforted. Surround yourself with warming cinnamon and cloves, while fresh lemon oil banishes your winter woes. It's just cinnamon and clove, and I'm not normally a huge fan of clove, or it's ginger, or it's the combination of the two. I'm not sure, because if anyone remembers the Christmas sweater bath bomb was my least favourite bath bomb Lush have ever done. I could not deal with that smell. The bath itself was beautiful. The colour, the bath bomb, everything was beautiful. I was so excited about it. That smell just got me in the wrong ways. I swear to God, it was like all over the house, and I was like, ugh, I don't like it. It just smelled like food, but like not in a good way. But this I'm excited about, so excited about. And then next is the Salt and Peppermint Bark. This is a body scrub with the natural exfoliant, fine sea salt and minty scent. Buff your skin smooth before cocoa and cupachu butters. Correct me on that one, please. Leave you feeling soft. This is also community picks. That's why I recognised all these. But I am happy that all of these got picked, because I'm going to pop up, as I said, while I'm talking at some point, the menu, so you can see what I picked, what I didn't pick, and then you'll kind of understand. I do always go for bath products, bath bombs, because they're the things that I'm most interested in. But something like this gets me. The odd shower gel might get me. The odd shampoo might get me here and there. I like giving extra things a go if I know I'm going to like the smell, or I've been interested in it for a while that I've never tried. That's usually what I go for. I have used this before, and I was so excited to see this again. I need to get more tins. Next time I'm in Lush, which I need to go back to this weekend. I don't need to, but I am going to. And then the last one is the Yuzu and Coco perfume. This is a kitchen exclusive, and it says here, it's just an average November weekday. Scents probably weren't expecting to be pounced on. but imaginings of citrus orchids spilling their sharp distinctive scent and the creamy comfort of vanilla-like tonka absolute are here to warm you from inside out. It's coconut to me. I'm sorry. That's all I can smell right now. It's coconut. I don't know why. That's what I get off it, but I get coconut. And you can tell me if it's different for you, but I get coconut smell. So that is everything. And then our beautiful personalised bag, which I think is such a nice thing to have. I'm going to have this forever. Even after all the products are gone, I will still have my bag, and this will always remind me of this box. So that is our November box. I'm really happy with this box, by the way, guys. I know there was no like, oh, this is a thing I did not expect to get because it wasn't on the menu, apart from the perfume. But I'm really happy with these products. These are all products I wanted. I voted for all of them. I remember voted for these ones. I just can't remember the other things that were on it because there's 6 products because I usually pick 3 and then have 2 exclusives. But I'm just so happy that all the ones I picked were on it. And you can pick everything on the list if you want to, but I just can't remember what the other ones are. But I will have them up as I'm speaking of what I did pick, so you can see what I didn't pick, and there's a reason probably behind it. Maybe if it's a shower jelly, I don't usually use shower jellies. If it's a soap, I don't use soap as often. If it's something I've had before, like I don't know, whatever it is. But I'm so happy with this box. I cannot wait to get into a nice wintry bath. I'm gonna have fun. I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this box. So if you did like this video, then give me a big thumbs up down below. It's the quickest, simplest and easiest way to give me a little bit of support, get me around to more people, and also let me know that you like the video as well. And it'll encourage me to do more videos as well. Also, don't forget to subscribe down below to see many more videos coming up. We have more videos coming up, more Lush videos coming up. We have the Lush Christmas haul. It's a big one, trust me. And all the Christmas wintry sort of stuff. Plus I'm doing lots of 3 looks on palettes this month because I have backlogs of 3 looks on palettes that I was supposed to upload but I didn't get time to upload, so they're going up now. And usually November is a quiet month for me because it's kind of in between October, which is a busy month, which wasn't as busy this year as I thought it was going to be, and Christmas, which is usually a busy month running up. It's also, I work in retail, by the way, so it's busy for me in real life. And November is like the little rest in the middle, but because I have all this already done, I just have to edit it. So I'm just going to upload it all in November. Hopefully. We'll see. If it all goes well, we will. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram down below, because when it comes to December, I have 3 advent calendars coming up. Little sneaky peek for you guys. I bought the Lush advent calendar. It was expensive. So it better be worth it. I do kind of know what's already in it, but it'll be a surprise because I won't look again and I'll kind of forget what's in it. But I will be opening that every day on my Instagram stories, plus my glossy box one, and I have a Kiehl's one. Never had Kiehl's before, and I have a Kiehl's. Never had the Lush one either, but I never had a Kiehl's advent calendar, and I've been using a little bit of Kiehl's skincare, so I'm excited to get a bit more of the range and try out a few more products from them. So if you're interested in that, go follow my Instagram down below and follow my TikTok down below, because I'm weird and fun over there, and more so than now than I am here. I don't know, but over there I'm weird and fun. And finally, in the comments down below, let me know, what do you think of this box? Were you happy with the box? What were your picks? Let me know that down below. I want to know, what did you pick from the list? Are you happy with what we got? Have you tried any of these products? Have you not tried any of these products? I don't know. You let me know and I will read them all. I read all the comments. All comments get read. If I don't reply to them, I still read them. Don't worry about it. And also, do let me know in the comments down below, is there any more Lush content ideas that you want me to do? Like, do you want me to do top 10s of different categories? Do you want me to do top 10 products of all time? I was thinking top 10 seasonal products. Like when it comes to, say, the Valentine's Day range, what are my top 10 Valentine's Day products that have come out over the years? Same with then the summertime releases, then obviously Halloween, that's a hard one, and Christmas is also quite a hard one, but Halloween's a hard one because I have a lot of favourites for Halloween ones. But let me know that down below. Any ideas you have in mind? I think it'll be fun to do something for those. So I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye!